Hi, I'm Jeff Hruby, CEO of ORBOT, and today we have some very exciting news. What if we could convert a round machine into square? Well, we've done it. Introducing the new ORBOT Squared patented conversion kit. We can take a round machine, convert it to square, or back to round, all within a matter of a few seconds. The ORBOT Squared conversion kit is available today on all 17-inch ORBOT machines, the Vibe, the Sprayborg, and the Life. So as you may know, ORBOT machines are built on a modular platform. So with the ORBOT Vibe series, as you see here, we can quickly convert a standard ORBOT Vibe round machine to square, and we can jump up to this model where you add on a dry vac for all of your sanding and stripping applications, where we can nearly pick up 100% of all those airborne dust particles and contain all of that dry dust that's left on the floor. The beauty of being able to convert round to square and back to round gives you the benefit of two machines in one, and that saves you a lot of time and money. Another great feature of the ORBOT Squared conversion kit is you have a 20-inch cleaning path. This allows you to use the standard 20 by 14-inch pads and brushes, giving you the benefit of cleaning more surface space in less time. So converting from round to square while still maintaining ORBOT's mechanical scrubbing power, which requires less weight to get the job done faster, easier, safer, and far less cumbersome versus the traditional square machines on the market today. Not only are we converting round to square, but we're maintaining ORBOT's proven orbital technology. So with ORBOT's mechanical scrubbing power, we have a much larger eccentric throw compared to the competition that uses little tiny micro scrubs. This allows ORBOT's mechanical action to scrub deeper, faster, and achieve far more superior results compared to the competition. As we can see here, we have 40 pounds or 18 kilos of weight on the machine. Because we have so much orbital action, no extra weight is required. If we look at other orbital machines on the market, they stack the weight up to the ceiling, which makes those machines far more cumbersome to use, especially transporting in and out of a van or to the job site. So one of the not so ergonomic features of these types of traditional orbital machines and floor buffers in the market today is in order to change out the pads and brushes, we have to literally take the machine and lay it on the floor to change out those pads and brushes. We also have to be very careful as we lay the machine down on the floor with all that weight going through our body and through our back that we don't drop the machine and damage the floor itself. There's also trip and fall hazards as well. With the ORBOT range of machines, we simply take the handle, we flip up the base. We don't have to lay the machine down as we do with traditional equipment, and we can easily change out those pads and brushes, which makes it much more ergonomic and safer and faster for you to do your job. So after years of listening to one of the biggest problems with rectangular orbital machines in the market today is the isolator bushings are constantly failing. This requires more replacement, downtime, and a lot of frustration for the operator. So here at ORBOT, we've solved that problem for you. We've completely re-engineered the way the isolator bushing system works so that they don't heat up. And when they don't heat up, you as a customer can completely forget about constant replacing them. So as you can see here, the traditional orbital floor machines, they require a safety lever that you have to trigger to maneuver the machine and power it on. The ORBOT machine range has a ergonomic design feature that is completely lever fatigue free. So these traditional orbital floor machines aren't so ergonomic in the sense of how you can maneuver them forward and back, left and right. If we compare these to the ORBOT Squared version of the Vibe, you'll see a dramatic difference in just the way that they maneuver. So as I go forward and backwards, you'll see in this demonstration. As you can see here, traditional orbital rectangular machines, as we move the machine forward, they rock to the front of the pad, and as we push the machine backwards, that weight transitions to the back of the pad. So we're never using 100% of the pad, nor are we using 100% usage of the pad as we strip and sand on the floor. As you can see here, the ORBOT range of machines using a free-floating base technology, the pad is 100% in contact on the floor. That allows us to cut, sand, and strip much faster and more efficient versus the traditional orbital rectangular machines. So here we have the ORBOT Squared conversion kit together with the HEPA Vacuum on board, the Vibe machine. And this is your ideal setup for all of your dry stripping and sanding applications. As you can see here, it's a 14 by 20 standard inch pad. One of the unique features of this setup is what we've done in our design is we've actually located the two ports on the left and the right side right behind the actual driver itself. Most traditional orbital floor care equipment, they actually locate the ports right over the driver. And that doesn't allow all of those airborne dust particles or dust that's left on the floor to actually thoroughly go up into those hoses and into the vac itself. So we're containing nearly 100% of all of that airborne dust particles and or dust that's left on the floor into the tank itself because of that unique design. Going around the machine, what we've also done is we've added some accessory tools for your hoses. So you can simply snap off your hose. Here's your main detail tool. We also have a telescoping wand and a traditional one so you can get into different tight areas or cracks or crevices to just make that job that much easier. So coming soon, this vacuum will actually be able to snap off the machine, put on your back, and use a traditional backpack vacuum. You have all of your detail tools here to hook up so you can do all of your traditional dry vacuuming. So just one more great feature all within this same package. So if you're the type of customer that's truly after a square or rectangular orbital machine, this is the perfect option for you as you get two machines for the price of one. You also get the ultimate flexibility with two types of orbital technology in the same tool, both dual action and single action. Dual action gives the option for both hard and soft floors, whereas single action is more geared towards hard floors only. Here at ORBOT, we're on a mission and passionately dedicated to innovate new products that help simplify your process, increase profitability, and most importantly, give you the results that you truly deserve.